大家好. I don't know what happened to my microphone, but today I'm bringing you with me to go to an island in Cancun. So let's go! Arrived to take the boat, so we just check in. We're waiting to take the boat. Super hot! ก็เลยแท้ๆก็ Cancun. Going in the boat. I'm in the boat. So they actually like sanitize our shoes here before we go in the boat, so we have like barefoot right now in here.
Cuidado. Hola.
And there is hand sanitizer.
Close. Right over here is the snorkeling area. You can do 2 snorkels if you want, visit 2 places or only one.
Look at that.
That is so cool, huh? Where's Bella? Does Bella see this?
Water, shake it, put it back. You might do that several times, okay, because we're still working out. Now, this is about the mask and the tube.
This way like a mom, it's like so 仲熱過越南啊！ We're going to restaurant. They test our temperature and wash your hands. Now we are嚟到食飯嘅地方啦。So let me bring you guys to the Caribbean. Yes, right here. 呢個就係加勒比海啦 ，Caribbean, right behind me. Wow, the water is super cool. Yeah, and my party is right behind me. Taking pictures. And then let's walk over here. Let's walk over here. Let's take a look of this. This is the island that we are in now. How pretty! Woo! Hi! Hello! You want to be in my picture? I am done. Let's go eat. So we're having nacho.
That was quick.
All right, let's eat.
I heard this one is very spicy.
This one's spicy.
Something, I don't
So
know.
that looks
I don't
like
care.
mayo and sriracha.
No, it's not so spicy. It's spicy.
Is it?
It's spicy.
Let's try. Oh yeah, that's spicy.
This is like mustard with something. That's nice though.
Mayo with ketchup.
Oh really?
Alright. Ready?
Yes, go ahead. Wow.
Oh, they said they don't have octopus. Maybe not the kind you wanted.
Yeah, maybe not the other kind.
Maybe only the cooked one. The uncooked one, maybe not.
This looks
Nice,
The
nice.
ceviche looks amazing.
good. What is this? A fish?
Okay.
Here.
Yeah. What did they get?
They got a lobster over there. What the heck?
I'm not paying. Wow, that's nice.
Do you want some lime on your fish?
Yes. Well, everyone. Yeah.
Everyone's fish.
Everyone's fish.
Anything
Yeah.
else?
That looks so good. That looks so good. Guys, let's go dip in.
Bring the juice for us? Pizza.
Go to see what they have. Wow, you got some lobster. again, so we are going back to the boat.
The last step.
嗨，大家好。
Well, you did good.
Getting my shoe now. This is the boat that we were in all day for the tour. We finished for today. We're taking the bus home for today. It was a long day, but it was a fun day too. I love to go in the water. The water was all awesome. So, hey, if you like this video, you know what to do, right? Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And 我哋今日就玩到呢度為止啦。我哋下次再玩過。拜拜。